Good evening and welcome to Red Zone News. I'm Madhushmita Chaudhary and let's get started. The world's first man to get a heart transplant from a genetically modified pig has died on Wednesday. Follows up this report. The first modified pig heart transplant was a landmark moment in medicine. David Bennet, who had terminal heart disease, underwent the transplant surgery. David Bennet was the first person to get a genetically modified heart transplant. Mr. Bennet underwent the surgery when he was brain dead. The surgery was performed on 7 January. Doctors at the University of Maryland Medical Center were granted a special dispensation by the US medical regulator to carry out the procedure. The procedure was performed as Mr. Bennet was ineligible for a human transplant and he would have otherwise died. Mr. Bennet underwent the surgery on 7 January and as stated by the doctors, few weeks after the surgery was performed, he spent time with his family.
It's an incredible feat that he was kept alive for 2 months and was able to enjoy his family.
But his condition deteriorated that left doctors devastated. Mr. Bennet survived 2 months post-surgery. The 57-year-old breathed his last on March 8. Even the surgery has failed, but the result of these experiments and investigations will determine how close we are to a future of using pigs to solve the global shortage of transplant organs. Bureau Report, Red Zone.